Good afternoon, friends. I am going to show you one of my easy lunches. So I am actually going to do a grilled ham and cheese, but I am going to do it on these tortillas. I use these Olay Extreme Wellness High Fiber Zero Net Carb tortillas. 2 of them is only 60 calories and will give you 5 grams of protein. And for my cheese, I get this at Aldi's. I use this Emporium selection of smoked cheddar cheese. It is so good. And 2 slices of this will give you 10 grams of protein, which I like to double up on my cheese for my grilled ham and cheese. And the ham I'm using comes from Aldi's as well, and it's a Black Forest ham. Now 6 slices of these will give you 10 grams, but I'm only using 2, so I don't know, what's that come out to? 2 3/4, 3 grams of protein, 3 grams of protein. So I'm getting approximately 18 grams of protein in this sandwich. So, to get started, I'm going to turn on my stove. And I'm going to put a little bit of butter on each slice of my tortilla. And then I'm just going to place this one on the butter side down, put on one of my slices of cheese, and I put on 2 slices of ham, and then another slice of cheese, and then my other tortilla, butter side up, and then I just let it do this thing on the stove. And while that's happening, I am going to make me my water of the day. Today I'm just doing, I'm running low, so I gotta go purchase some more drink packets. But today I'm just doing 2 of the Welch's cherry pomegranate, because my cup is like 40 ounces. So I need about 2 of these for the flavor that I want. So again, I do about 10 cubes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go and get me some water. I have a filter on my faucet and it takes forever for it to fill up a 40-ounce thing. So anyway, let me get my scissors, cut these 2 packets open. Dump those in. I am using a Contigo tumbler. I love my Contigos because everything, when you're doing cold drinks, everything stays nice and cold for a long time. I literally sometimes will still have ice in my tumbler the next morning. That looks good and mixed in. That Welch's cherry pomegranate is really, really good. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. Yep, cherry pomegranate Welch's. So good. Now I think it's time to flip this baby. Woo! Perfect golden brown. It's amazing what can make me happy. Here you have it. Today I'm just having this grilled ham and cheese tortilla sandwich and my cherry pomegranate water. Let me see about taking a bite. It's kind of hot. Ooh. That is so good. Did you see that cheese pull? Anyway, that is such a good sandwich. Hope you try it and have a good day.